this video, we will show you how to design a crown for a previously milled angle screw channel patient-specific abutment case in 3Shape. Begin by creating an order on the project page, choosing the crown option under Anatomy, and proceed to the next step. Import your scans, which should include a scan of the custom abutment in a model with and without gums, as well as an antagonist. 3Shape will align the scans for you automatically. After the software generates a crown template, use the Smile Composer tools to reposition, modify, and adapt as needed, making sure the contacts, shape, size, and orientation are to your liking. Adapt the emergence profile of the crown to match that of the abutment, and ensure proper thickness exists before moving forward with the final step. As a final step, design the screw access hole that will go through the crown, which should match that of the patient-specific abutment. Once satisfied, the design can now be finalized. Click next to export the design and send the crown for milling.